Okay, physics for engineers topic is ano ba topic? Um, Electricity and magnetism. Sabi kita electricity. Hay nako. So 21 pala yung nakita. An aluminum cube has sides of length 1.80. So medyo dako ya nga cube, di ba? You could just imagine 1.80 harani 2 ka metro mga sugad. Tapos kay cube ya, so dako ini nga cube. You could just imagine this is a big cube and made of aluminum, so magaan man niya, so there is sugad. Pero mabugat na kaya bigit sa dako ya. What is the resistance between two opposite faces of the cube? So you have, maybe we can draw this one. It looks like this. Of course, you have a square. Then,
Bruno, ayaw dyan.
ayan. So, bagan iton kurente, kuan didi, masulod didi, magawas didi. Or pwede bisan diin. Anyway, for the sake of simplicity. Dito nala, para pa to the right. Diba? So, anong given ini? May da kita given nga 1.80 meters. 1.80 meters. So, our equation, amo lagi pinan equation naton, your resistance is equal to resistivity, length all over area. So, area ito nga aagian, of course, kung ti pasiring it aton, ini pa paramat area niya. So, at area niya, of course, this is square. So, ini nga length square. Okay? Tapos, ang imo liwat, length, of course, and length. So, you could just imagine, ang pakiana resistance, what is the resistivity? Or resistance? Sorry. What is the resistance between two opposite faces of the cube? So, resistance, rho L, this resistivity, their density ha, on imo area is L squared. L times L. Diba? Kaya kung amin niya, at area ni is L times L. Kung di magawas, ng masulod. Okay? Kung mag-iba at ira kadako, pag sulod na paggawas, of course, you have to have the, I think, average ito niya. So, L squared. That would be the area. So, makakansela na sa nga L, that would be rho all over L. So, basically, substitute, you go to your constants. Rho is the resistivity for, I think this is aluminum, 2.75 times 10 to negative 8. So, 2.75 times 10 to the negative 8 ohm meter. And then, you have your length, which is 1.80 meters. Diba? Masaha yun. Then, you have your resistance, which is in ohms. So, 2.75 exponent negative 8 divided by 1.80. So, that would be, the resistance would be 1.52, 1.53 insignificant figures times 10 to the negative 8 ohm. Kung iba na nato negative 6 micro ohm. Anyway, this is small kay mga conductor, di ba? Kung gamitan na itong copper, mga gurguti pa niya. Copper is a good conductor. I think copper, gold, silver are good conductors. Aluminum, I think it's not that much. You can compute from the, I think from the constants, mga resistivity nila. Your silver is 1.47, that's smaller. Your aluminum is 2.75, almost half. Sobra. Your copper is 1.72. Mamay, see? The resistivity of silver is smaller. So, silver really is the most resistance. Kaya lang, di rin gagamit sa wire. Kay mamahal, of course. Silver is expensive than copper. So, we use copper. Dani nga ni dir na pure copper, ginaaloy usually. There tira mga pure na copper to really makatipid. Kaya mamahal kapitin mo copper. But anyway, gold is of course lugi ka kang gold kay because you have 2.44. I mean kung gagamiton mo hiya nga pangkurente, 'di ba? You need a good um, conductance. Oh, dire ang baliktad man resistance. So you need a good conductance para dire dakot ingin sa supply. 'Di ba? Para dire dakot iya resistance pag resistance kurente. So the best one is silver, kaya lang mahal. So we usually opt for copper and an alloy of copper which is somewhat bronze, damo na ito nga da. Okay? So para may imagine, makuro ko kasi may imagine ini nga 1.50 to 10 to negative 8 ohms. Okay, thank you guys for listening.